Cabana Bay, beachside, 5th floor. So we have never, I'll get to that in a second. We have never stayed at Cabana Bay. We've never been to Cabana Bay. This is just an add-on night. And we figured we'd check it out so we can see what it's all about. So, a pretty good sized entryway. This is we're in a tower, and that's kind of the layout of the building. It's kind of weird, kind of cool. We got classic cars out front. It's kind of retro themed. Anyways, here's the bathroom, vanity area. Pretty typical. Pretty good sized shower. There is a shower head. And they've got the controls over here, which I like. It makes sense on a shower like this. It's kind of like retro shampoo, soap. Anything back here? Let's see. And you have a closet. In the wall safe, some hangers, ironing board, extra linens, pretty typical. Here's our beds. Pretty cool. Alarm clock. Not something you typically see. It does have a USB port in it. Wireless phone. Kind of cool. And then these lamps are pretty neat. You can turn the tops off and the bottom off, or keep them both on, both off. Coffee maker. There is the mini fridge. Some drawers for us. Coffee maker. Outlets. Here's just a little seating area. But here's the view. This is the big deal. So if you want to go to Volcano Bay.
Dad, look at that. Look at those cranes.
Oh yeah, bungees over there. If you want to go to Volcano Bay, I mean, here's the hotel. There's Volcano Bay. You can just walk over there. So that's a pretty awesome view. So this is as high up as they could give us because everything was booked up. But the 5th floor, I'm impressed. This is really cool. It's a nice way to end our stay here. So we're gonna zip over to Volcano Bay for a couple hours, and so the boys have never been, so it'll be fun. Anything you want to add, Breck?
No, not really.
You like the view?
Yeah.
You excited to go swim over there? Do some water slides and stuff?
I really hope to do all of them, but I don't think I have time.
No, probably not have time. So, anyways, I don't know how much of the resort we'll get to see, but here is our quick room tour. See you next time.